Hello everyone, it's James from MPX Autos. How are you today? So in this video we would like to share the surrounding camera, 4 cameras on demand for off-road and towing and for everyday lines in a brand new Land Cruiser Troopy 23. So we already got the full introduction video first, and now this one is about the camera setup. So as first, let's have a look around the car where the camera stay, and we go from the back. So this is where and how the rear camera stay, right here, and it will have to see down to the tail ball and the bumper bar. Okay, now we actually have the side camera mounting right under the mirror here, and the wiring carefully running into the door and through a very new create wiring and the channel setup. So this one with all the proper material, rubber, and the right way. The wiring run through here for the speaker, running for the side camera, running for the keyless entry, central locking system, all wiring running through this new create cable here. The car didn't come with this, and then when you close the door, the whole cable here will close in and open very smoothly and doesn't damage the wiring or cover in the side door. That took a lot of time that we created the mechanism like this for the car. So yep, when you close it, all the wire slide in, slide out, just like any factory car. And the front camera is here, where you actually see the front camera, from the front here, right on the bumper over here, and it will have to see drop down on the ground. What you see on the ground, it will be something right drop down. The same, the side camera for the left side, and we do the same thing. We create the channel here that the wiring will run in and out, smoothly, and it looks very factory made over there. When you close and open the door, doesn't make noise and doesn't make scratch. So that's where the camera stay, and we now will see how the cameras actually performs. So basically, the new surrounding on-demand camera will work with 2 different ways: automatic and manual. The automatic means that when you drive the car and you turn, let me turn this one off, I need the aircon. When you turn the car into the reverse, it will show the reverse camera combined with the high definition reverse parking sensor as well. And look at this, that is how the reverse parking sensor coming and showing the distance over here, left and right, and the distance is 0.47 meter. Okay, and you actually see the bumper, you see the tail ball, that's super clear. Okay, so it makes sense because that was it, the parking sensor. Now that is the front camera. When you reverse and you move forward, it actually goes straight into the front camera for a few seconds, and you see a drop down camera in the front. That is the number plate. Okay, that is the number plate. Now that is the system, how it works, and after that it will turn back into the front application before. And if you turn the signal in the car, it will start showing the camera. Now it actually shows the left side camera in the system. So when you start turning the signal, you see that the signal is blinking on the left, and it's showing that. Now I start changing the signal there, and it will show the right camera. Okay, so I turn left and it shows left camera. I turn right, it turned the right camera. Because it is in the workshop, so you don't see a very wide angle. But when you actually are on the road, this angle of view will make you see very wide and out and far, you know, on the side of the car. That's very safe for driving, and that is the automatically function out, and that's how it works when you are driving. But if in case you want to manually control it, you actually can do it easily. Now, talking about what is manual here means that if you want to, for example, if you are in the drive of the fifth gear and you're on the highway and you want to turn on the reverse camera on the screen, but you actually don't want to put the car into the reverse because you actually are at 110 kilometer on the highway, right? And then you want to see the camera. Now there's the controller over here that you flick the switch, and that is when you are driving and you still can see the camera itself, and you still can see the, you know, parking sensor working itself, but you don't turn on the reverse light. Okay, so the people behind you, they will not see that you turn on the reverse light, but in fact inside the cabin you still can see the reverse camera. And now if you want to check what is on the left side of the car when you are on the highway, you can turn the gear here and you see the left side camera, and you can leave it as long as you want. So you can see who is passing on the left lane, okay, and what is happening on the left lane of the car. And the same thing, you can press the button and press the gear control, and then you see the right camera and you see what happened on the right side of the car. And now if you are driving and you want to see in the front, just do it and you press it and you see the camera, the front camera, and you can leave them as long as you want until you want to come back to the normal screen. You just go back to the normal screen straight away, and you can go into the full screen easy anytime like this. So that is the way our new system of the high definition parking sensor work with the high definition surrounding camera on demand in this Land Cruiser Troopy. So thanks again for watching, and we are doing other videos for the sound setup, D-Class Pioneer sound setup, and we are doing video for the roof mount DVD, roof mount LCD and DVD player, 19-inch on the roof, which you can see here. So yeah, just something special we want to share, and thanks again for watching. If you like it, please click subscribe button, and show us that you like what we have done, so we can share more works and more video like this. Thanks again, and we'll see you then.